In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide sections from mobile in Elementor. We'll walk through this step by step, so even if you're fairly new to WordPress or Elementor, you'll be able to follow along and get the result you want. The idea here is simple. Sometimes a section on your page looks great on desktop, but it's too big, cluttered, or just unnecessary on a mobile screen. Instead of deleting it, we'll simply hide it on mobile while keeping it visible on larger devices. First, open your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main menu. Look for the Elementor option in that menu. Hover your mouse over Elementor and then select the editor option. This will open Elementor's interface inside WordPress. Once it loads, look towards the top left corner of the screen and click on Edit Site. This will take you into the main editing area where you can modify the layout and sections of your pages or templates. Now that you're in the editor, navigate to the page or template that contains the section you want to hide on mobile. Scroll until you see that specific section. When you hover your mouse over it, you'll notice a 6-dot icon appear at the top of the section. This icon represents the section or container handle. Right-click on that 6-dot icon, and from the options that appear, choose Edit Section or Edit Container, depending on which version of Elementor you're using. Once you've done that, the settings for that section will open in the left-hand panel. At the top of this panel, you'll see several tabs like Layout, Style, and Advanced. Click on the Advanced tab. Then scroll down within the Advanced settings until you find an area called Responsive. Click on Responsive to expand it. Inside the responsive settings, you'll see options to hide the section on different device sizes. Look for the option labeled Hide on Mobile Portrait and enable it. This tells Elementor not to display the section on mobile phones held in portrait orientation. The section will still be visible on tablets and desktops, unless you choose to hide it there as well. When you're happy with your settings, go to the top right corner of the screen. You can click Publish to make your changes live. If you're not ready to publish yet, click the small downward arrow next to the Publish button and choose Save Draft to keep your changes without making them public just yet. And that's it. You've successfully hidden a section from mobile in Elementor.